the bottle's pretty much full as well, and it just was a no-go. I didn't return it. I don't know why, but yeah, this one's a no-go. Okay guys, maybe a couple more. This setting lotion actually isn't bad. This is by Care. It's their setting lotion. Even though I prefer the Wrap and Tap, like I said, Wrap and Tap is all of that to me. All of that. It gives you the shine, the whole boom. The Care is pretty good. I've had this for a while. Again, I think the bottles are different now, the Care. But it's still good. And it's a setting lotion. So I can use setting lotion. Oh, what if yeah. And it's full. I don't think I should throw this out, guys. What do you think? I'm struggling. Y'all, I'm losing this battle here. I promise you, I was gung-ho. I was like, oh, we're gonna do it. You guys remember this? The Beautiful collection? I had it in both honey brown and reddish brown, light reddish brown. It's like, it's a rinse. It's like it's a gentle semi-permanent color. And I used to use the honey brown. I think they changed these bottles. See, this proves how long I've been holding on to this stuff. I need help, guys, help me. So anyway, this one is the honey brown, okay? And this one is the light reddish brown. Okay. And I didn't mix them, but one time I felt like going a little redder. One time, this is good stuff. The Beautiful collection, I like it. I like it a lot, by Clairol. I don't know if they changed their formula since now or whatever, but it was a pretty good product when I started using it. I just haven't felt like rinsing or putting a rinse or a gentle color in my hair well right now, because we're trying to get it together and get it back to health. So I didn't want to put anything on. But yeah, oh my gosh, guys. Oh, have you guys ever heard of this Harmonious Erosi? It used to, I know why I don't use this. Erosi. I don't know if you've heard of this. I heard about this again on the hair boards. Okay, so you may or may not have ever heard of this. This was their newest bottle, Harmonious Erosi. Okay, this is a leave-in conditioner. It's a liquid leave-in conditioner, much like the Infusium, meaning in consistency. And I don't know if you've ever heard of this. I used to love this stuff. I heard about this on the hair boards, and as soon as I heard about it, it used to come in a lavender bottle. Does anybody remember that? It used to come in a lavender bottle with the little squeeze pump. It used to go up and, well, I guess this does too. But it came in a lavender bottle, I believe, and it was so good. It had a beautiful fragrance. It was very light. You sprayed it on, again, the consistency, the same consistency as Infusium. And it did exactly what it said it was going to do. It left your hair shiny. It didn't weigh it down. And it was so good. And of course, they changed the formula. I used up all my bottle. And I went to go re-up. I saw this in the store and I said, this can't be the same thing. Well, it is the same thing, except it's not the same thing. Meaning it's their leave-in conditioner. But why, oh why, would they change the formula? It doesn't smell the same, and I found that it doesn't act the same. You know, the first one, it really gave your hair shine, and oh, it was so beautiful. And this one, I'm not impressed at all. In fact, I felt like throwing the bottle back at the store that I bought it from, even though it's not their fault. But that's how disappointed I was in this particular product, because I wanted it to be the same. And it wasn't. And I don't understand that. Why do companies do that? Why do they improve on something, so-called improve on something that doesn't need to be improved? I don't get it. Anyway, Erosi, the original, bomb. This one, bomb. Okay. So that, I'm sorry. I'm back. I'm not upset anymore. And oh my gosh, okay, Care, the Silk and Seal. This is their serum. It's a blow drying complex. And yeah, I'm sorry, this is a lot. Yeah, we're going to ignore all the dust and the, you know, dust bunnies and all this other stuff. But anyway, Silk and Seal. This one I used to use, but this is so thick, guys. I don't know if you can see that. It's so thick. Oh, it's thick. And I don't know if you can see it that way. But it's very thick. See, even when meanwhile, this Skinny Serum by Paul Mitchell, it's a lot lighter, okay? But you're supposed to blow dry with this, and I just found like I didn't really need this to blow dry. Okay, I don't really put anything extra, like a serum. I don't use a serum to blow dry. I just do my leave-in conditioner and leave it at that. So with that being said, I bought that and it didn't really, I wasn't really impressed by it. You know, I didn't really find it to be my type of product. And there was a lot of hype behind this, a lot of hype. The hairdresser that I went to that I found out about the Care products. I don't know if she used it on me, but once she told me about the Care, I used almost everything in the line. I bought this and I was like, this one's not gonna work for me because it's a little too heavy. Speaking of serums, this Living Proof Satin Hair Serum, this is obviously a sample. So I can definitely throw this out. But yeah, this did nothing for me. I guess I can use this to just sort of put shine, like a finishing serum, and put it on my hair, but what's the use? It's very thin, but, and I heard a lot of hype about this too, this Living Proof, but does nothing for me. I'm not impressed. And yeah, this I can feel comfortable in tossing. So that will definitely be purged. But guys, I need help. Okay. Oh, here's another one. Biolage. This is the Shine Endure Spritz Firm Hold Shine Spray. You guys know that I love a good spritz. I tried this. There was a lot of hype behind this as well. Okay, so you can see it just in case. And I didn't like it. I didn't like it. I want to say that the smell was too, the smell is, you know what? I don't really have a problem with the smell. For me, I think you have to be careful when you get a shine spray, just like the BioSilk. Some of these things I think are too heavy, at least for my hair. And I thought that the shine was too, it turned out a little too heavy for my hair. It's a little greasy. Maybe I should say it like that. It was a little greasy. And with this, I didn't really notice like any type of special hold to it. Okay. So I wasn't really impressed by this. So yeah, this one was a no-go for me. Bought it, the bottle's pretty much full as well, and it just was a no-go. I didn't return it. I don't know why, but yeah, this one's a no-go. So riddle me this. Why am I still holding on to this stuff? Why, if I know that it doesn't work for me, and I already have stuff that does work for me, why am I holding on to this stuff? Is it a thing of, I think it's a thing of waste. I don't like to waste stuff. Again, I wanted to come in here with the same type of energy. And, you know, since I was talking about products that I love and this and that, I wanted to talk about some products, some that were hyped up. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions down below. I appreciate you dialing in and showing up. I appreciate it. So I hope you enjoyed it. Come on back. We're going to be talking about some more stuff. And y'all be safe out there, okay? And we'll be back, okay? All right.